In today's content creation-driven market, having the ability to create videos has become vital. This fall, the Liberal Arts Division at North Shore Community College is introducing new video production courses that fit into the Media Communications degree. For the first time, North Shore Community College is launching a Video Production Certificate. The certificate is a one-year practical and theoretical program which is designed to prepare students for a professional experience in content creation and video production fields. Students will learn theoretical and hands-on production training needed for entry-level positions in a variety of creative fields. Students will gain invaluable production experience in job placement programs. This certificate will give you a competitive edge, providing you with the skills to create content that is cutting-edge, engaging, and educational.